Hi koutou, ko Anthony te ingoa. My name is Anthony.
And Morena Winton School, ko Amanda Rose ahau. I am Amanda Rose. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rā Pare, the 4th of August.
Straight to Rerena Kōrero te Wiki. This week's phrase is teh-ar-rower, teh-ar-rower, or some Aotearoa.
Koia kia koe. You really nailed it. Aotearoa, meaning awesome Aotearoa.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Book club news. All money and orders are due into the office tomorrow.
Ordering books helps out the school library too. Kia ora.
Health and safety news. Walking those scooters and bikes through the school at the end of the day, please. Kia ora.
Otago Problem Solving. You're up today. Same bet time, same bet channel. You know where.
Pals news. Check out the window on the library for who and where. Not sure who's up today.
Tomorrow is Rā Mere, and that means hot chocolates and sausages all day. Get your stamps in the library before school.
Correct money, please.
Birthday news. None today at WINTON School.
But Otago, Donald Trump's boss, is 55 today. Rā whānau kia koe.
Mr. President.
And that's it. That's all for today. For today, thanks for tuning in. Ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, WINTON School.